Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to backup Facebook Messenger chat. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, open your Facebook, then click on this icon and click on settings and privacy. And here you have to click on your Facebook information and now click on download your information. And here we can see all this option is selected now. So we need to deselect all this. So I am clicking on select all and now only you have to select messages. So I am selecting this message option. So now scroll down to the top and here you can select the data range. So I am selecting here last week and from here media quality, here select high quality and format. Also you can make GIMP format on sizes to download it as HTML format. So after that just click on create file and here we can see a copy of your information is being graded. Your copy may contain more than one file depending on how much information you request. Your request contains will let you know when your copy is complete. So you can download it to your preferred device. You cannot cancel this process by clicking on it before the file is complete. Okay, now if you want to see a heart is your file, then click on this available this. And here we can see our message request is up pending. Now here we can see the status when it will be ready. You will get this download button here and here we can see the file is ready now. And then click on download and here we can see the file is downloading and download is completed. So I am going to my file manager. Here is the file. I am extracting this file. After extracting you will get this file. Simply open this index.file on your browser and here you can see you have to click on your messages and after that here we can see all the conversation is showing up here. So I am opening a conversation from here. So this is the way how to backup Facebook Messenger chat. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.